Guys, today we'll talk about how can you add new payment options on your app. We go to figure out the solution and know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, click here on payment methods. When you just click on it here, so when you click here on payment methods, it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open video here. So it's going to take a time to open video here. So then you click here on add new payment option here, just click on it. In here, if you want to select your credit or debit card or PayPal, here and here add card information here, then you click it on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.